Hi guys, if you want to improve your trading by watching this 10-minute video, I promise you won't regret it. 10 minutes, that's all I'm asking for. Stay and watch this. If you're gonna hear some weird noises in the background, that's my dog just chewing on his toy. I'm not gonna bother him, so I will just let him crack on. In the meantime, guys, I want to give you 5 golden rules. Let's go. Rule number 1 is psychology. It's what's in your head, okay? I know it sounds cheesy, but I was watching a lot of videos. I remember when I was trading, when I was a very beginner. I was a beginner. I didn't know what I'm doing. I wanted to really start trading. I saw people like posting all those screenshots of like crazy P&Ls, etc. They all been saying about psychology, like you have to sort your head first, and I was like, okay, what are you guys talking about? Like, just give me the trades, you know? Like, I wanted to jump in, and to be honest, there is a lot in it. So basically, the trading is like 80% of psychology and 20% strategy. Your emotions can wreck you faster than a bad trade. For example, fear of missing out, FOMO. Guys, I'm looking at Twitter. I'm on certain groups on Discords, and all I see is people trying to long green candles and then shorting the red candles. That's what people do. People see the green candles, they see the pump, they feel like they're missing out on the entire bull market. The truth is, the opportunities are every single day. You don't believe me? Let me show you something. Like, this is the first example. I wasn't really trading today. I'm not trying to force the trades. Sometimes I do like have a gamble, like a proper gamble trades, but I don't expect much. But yeah, I saw this trade opportunity on Miro. I've seen a big seller start like selling all the Miro, so I was like, okay, let's just give it a go. 300% in like 40 minutes. I wasn't even trying. Literally, opportunities are every single day, so you guys not missing out on anything. Definitely, you don't want to long the green pumps, and you don't want to short when something has been already dumped really hard, okay? That's completely opposite. You have to change your mindset completely. That's what I'm trying to show you here. Right, rule number 2 is split your portfolio, your trading portfolio, okay? If you have, let's say, £10,000 for the simplicity, you want to have £8,000 towards the safest bets, and then keep that 20% towards the fun bets. So what I mean by that, keep that $8,000, 80%, and what you can do with this, you can bet on like the higher caps, BTC, XRP, Cardano, like, you know, the big coins, and trade with that capital on a very low leverage. Doesn't matter if it's long or short. Just use it as a safe capital on the safer bets. Place your bets on the breakouts. I mean, don't gamble with it. This is towards a small and steady income. You want to make that money grow. You don't want to lose that money. So safe coins, low leverage, safe bets. And the other 20%, bloody hell, just have fun with it. Go to MXC, 50x leverage, long Miro, short bread, just have fun with it. Use your stop losses, because you don't want to completely wipe out this 20% account, okay? So go high leverage, but I mean, still use your common sense. Don't go like completely gamble, but use that money to basically long or short like high risk assets. If you make money with them, that's absolutely fine. Take the profit, put it back in the safe leverage account, and use that on 3x to long BTC or short Ethereum, because Ethereum sucks, you know. yeah, have like fun money and have the save money. Don't mix them together, okay? If you lose if you're losing on your trade, don't add to it. Just cut it off. You can start again, guys. This is trading. This is why you have you have leverage. You can make this money back, okay? So yeah, just split your portfolio basically. Another thing I would say is have like few exchanges and split that money on different exchanges. Not all the exchanges are equal. Plus it's more of a hassle. If you've got like a losing trade on MEXC, you're not gonna go to, for example, Binance and withdraw that money, send it to MEXC to, you know, to save that losing trade. Yeah, it's just like split the money, okay? Have fun money, have save money. That's it. Okay guys, rule number 3 is know your basic TA. They say TA is basically a men's astrology, which is a little bit true, but right, basic TA. Like I mentioned, you want to have safe trades, you don't want to go up massive leverage, safe bets, low leverage, okay? One example of safe trading is to have a trend line. The trend line has to have at least 3 touches, okay? If it doesn't have 3 touches, it's invalid trend line. What I mean by that is, can you see as it's not exactly perfect, but it's just for the sake of the video, just so you know roughly what I mean. You got those lower lows and lower highs. You can see how this trend line basically stops the candles going above that, okay? The minute it pops its head above and closes the candle above, this is very important, not the wick, it needs to close above the trend line. When it closes above the trend line, that's a breakout. If it does, that's your trade setup, okay? You can use your RSI to confirm that this purple line is above the yellow one. You can use stochastic RSI to confirm it's got the momentum, so when it's on the bottom and it's pointing upwards, then the momentum is that it might go higher. You can use MACD as well. You can use my indicator, which also is gonna give you some extra confluence. But basically, you don't gamble. You have a high possibility of a nice trade if you trade on the trend break, okay? So if it closes above, usually what it does, it goes higher and then come back and retest that trend line. When it retests the trend line and it doesn't go below it, that's where you want to enter the trade. So I'm just patiently waiting for this to go up and then come back down, and this is where I want to enter the trade. All right, my stop loss will be just below this higher low here, so just below it. I will give it a little bit of extra room just in case if we get some nasty weak to the downside. And then your risk reward trade, so if you open this long position in your trading view, if you pop it in, you want to have this risk reward to a minimum of 3. What I mean by that is you risk $1 to gain $3, okay? So yeah, that's basically trading on the breakouts. 4 is do not overtrade, okay? And it works whenever you winning or you losing. You might have a great day, you won like 4 trades in a row, you are like up 100%, you made a lot of money, and you feel like basically sky is the limit, I can do it all the time, I can do it all day. Wrong, okay? Wait for the trades to come to you, don't chase the trade, okay? Just wait for them. Be patient, okay? It's very important. What you might do, if you make 1k, 2k, 5k in a day, believe me, it's very easy to give it back to the market, and you don't want that, okay? You want to be profitable. Small steps, keep winning, okay? Don't overtrade, guys. Same if you're on the losing streak. Don't revenge trade. If you lose money on, let's say you've got a long on bread 10x, you lose $500 and you are like, oh shit, okay, I lost 500. Now I'm gonna place another bet because this time I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna go 20x leverage. You know what's gonna happen most likely? You're gonna lose again. Guys, believe me, please don't revenge trade, don't overtrade at all. It's very important. Wait for the trades to come to you. Don't chase them. Just be patient. Guys, last one, number 5, which is the most important of them all, and this is not a shill, is join the community. I just can't stress enough how important it is to have other people like yourself who work full-time job, trying to obviously look after the family or after the business, don't have time to spend on the trades, like look for the trades, look for the setups. Just join the community. It's completely free. I'm not charging anything, I'm not shilling anything. We have a very tight community where we post setups, news, literally everything. It takes me ages to do those videos, so if you want to have in real time news, trades, updates, basically everything, like we do everything, and we don't charge anything for that. Just join my Discord. The link is in the channel description. I will leave it in the video description as well. Just come and say hi. Like, we do have announcements, we have buy and sell, we have stocks, we have perp trades. Oh, by the way, we have a pro trader as well who posts setups every single day. We have such a nice bunch of people, guys. Just come and say hi, just join us. Like, believe me, like me myself, I'm not a full-time trader. I do it because I love it, but even if I had enough money to retire, I would still be doing my job and trade on the side because I just love it so much, you know. So yeah, there's plenty of busy people, but we all here, we're trying to support each other. It's very important to have other people to bounce your ideas off, okay? So guys, join the Discord. This is the 5 rules. Please try to use them. Trade responsibly. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so just please have that in mind. But if you want to have a nice community, if you want to be guided step by step, just join the Discord, alright? Yeah, that's it for now, and yeah, please like, subscribe on the channel. Yeah, that's it. See you later. Bye.